Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Muhammad Zubair Khan. Today I am here with the second lecture of week 2, mathematics 2. In the previous lecture, we studied that how to find out the solution set of the system of linear equation by using substitution method. So that was, I had sought an example which was related to the first case that we have to find out three cases, yeah, or we are facing three cases. So that was related to the first case where we had found the single solution. Today I will tell you about the two other cases, that when we have infinite solution and when we have no solution. So in case if we have the two equations like this is an example, and I will solve by substitution method. First of all, again we will give name to the equation, madilayak madilaidu, and then we will search out that where we should put the value of one variable into another variable. For example, from 1 I am getting the value of y and I am using that value here in second equation. From second also you can get the value of y or x to put in the first equation. Suppose I am taking first equation. So from equation 1, if we shift x to another side, so it will become 5 minus x. This will become equation 1 like this form. Now we will put this value, put in equation 2. We will put in equation 2. From equation 1 we will get the value of y, and then we will put that value in equation 2 instead of y. The jai y inja nushtamisha the kimati y. Now equation 2 will become x will remain unchanged, plus instead of y we will put the value of x, that will become 5 minus x equal to 4. Now if you see here, x minus x both will cancel each other, and 5 equal to 4, which is not equal to. So in case if you are facing this kind of condition, you can say that the lines are parallel. The lines are parallel and they have no solution. If you draw the graph of these two equations, so you will get two lines like this. So if the lines are parallel, the equations are parallel. So if the equations are parallel, so we have no solution. But the point is that you need to understand that when you will know that the equations are parallel, if you are finding the value of any variables and variables become vanish, like here x becomes vanish, it becomes cancelled, but at the end we get the false statement, not the true statement. At the end we get 5 equal to 4, which is not equal. 5 equal to 5 not equal to 4. So when you are finding the value of any variable and variables becomes vanish, and at the end you get the wrong statement, the false statement, so you can say that the lines are parallel and they have no solution. They have no solution. This is the way that how you can solve a question like this by using substitution method. The equations are different, but when we were finding the value of the values of x, so we had the equation like this, the situation like this, which is false statement. So by this way, if you have this kind of condition, so you can say that there is no solution. The lines are parallel. Here you should write no solution. The lines are parallel. The lines are parallel. Yani line jest, mawazi است. The solution nadar. So this is the second case that we are facing. Sometimes we are having the equations like this. For example, if we have x plus 2y equal to 4 and x plus 2y equal to 4. if you have the same equations. In this particular case, we will have no solution. How? Look at. Sorry, in this particular case, we will have infinite solution. How? Look at. We will find the value of x or the value of y. So this will become equation 1, this will become equation 2. Now, if you put the value of x from equation 1 into equation 2, so you can get the value of y. Now, from 1, x equal to, if we shift 2y to another side, so 4 minus 2y. Now put this value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 will become x, instead of x, put the value of x, 4 minus 2y, and plus 2y will remain unchanged, equal to 4. Now if you see, minus 2y and plus 2y will cancel each other. What will remain? 4, equal to 4. So here we can write infinite solutions. So these were the two conditions that we are facing sometimes. We have one solution that we studied in previous class, in previous video. Now we studied when we have the equations like this. So when we were finding the value of variable, whenever we are finding the value of any variable, so the variables becomes vanish, and at the end we are getting the wrong statement. 5 is not equal to 4, but we are getting the wrong statement. In this particular case, we can say the lines are parallel and the equations have no solution. Sometimes we have the same equations like this, two equations are same. So in this particular case, what we are doing the same procedure, giving name to the equations, and then we are getting the value of one variable from any equation, and we are putting that value into another variable, into another equation instead of that variable, like we did here in this question. So after simplification, the variable again becomes vanish, but at the end we get the true result, 4 equal to 4. It's a true statement. So in case of true statement, the lines are same. So they are intersecting each other at infinite points. In case of false statement, at the end, the lines are parallel and they are not intersecting each other. So these were the two conditions that we need to study, because you will face these kind of system of linear equations also. So at the end, I will give you the assignment also, and you should try on those assignment, and you should try to solve those questions and send it to me on my email ID. So see you inshallah in next week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.